Today is the sixth day when I'm sharing my thoughts about decision making. It's a big topic, and I still have so many things to share about decision making. But I think after today, I will take a break and I will share different things before I'm going back to decision making, because decision making is a topic that I truly believe that is one of those topics that you're able to improve, get better, and understand more and be more wise how to make better decisions, because there are so many things to consider before making a decision. Now, when you think about decisions, so the first day I chatted about the importance of decision making, and last couple of days we were chatting about key points how to separate the good, bad, and a great decision. For example, you need to understand that every decision that you make impacts other people. Like, decision is a muscle, you're able to grow it. Of course, we need to base our decisions in the long term and back that by short term decisions. And when we make a decision, we need to look in faith and not what we see. So when we have those in consideration, next very important thing to consider is understanding that, do you have a strong why? Do you have a strong reason to make a decision? A lot of times when people live their lives, they feel comfortable and they don't want to change. They don't want to improve. So when you think about decision making, a lot of times we don't make a decision because we are not uncomfortable enough. Because people who are really uncomfortable, they make decisions, right decisions, to move out of that very bad position. But people who are just a little bit uncomfortable choose a lot of times not to make a decision because they are afraid. Because a lot of times, known bad is better than unknown good. So now we need to consider that a lot of times people make decisions based on their feelings, but it's not how we're supposed to do. We need to consider and make decisions based on our values and where we love to see ourselves and how we're supposed to represent ourselves in front of other people. Because a lot of times people don't make a decision because they fear of success, fear of failure, or maybe they don't feel motivated to do anything. So of course, if you are waiting for motivation to make a decision, that could never come. But if you make decision now and start to act on it, motivation will come to you. So that means that, of course, action brings the energy that you need to get and to move. So when you think about fear, again, we a lot of times we create paper walls, and we when we make a decision, start acting, all those fears disappear.